Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide your profile photos on LinkedIn. So let's start. First, open the LinkedIn app. When the app is open, tap on your profile picture on top left corner. Then tap on Settings. Now tap on Account Preference. Under the Site Preference, you will see an option showing profile photos. Now tap on that. From here you can change the privacy of your profile photos. Now if you select no one on this world will be able to see the photos you have uploaded on your LinkedIn profile. Now to do so, select no one. And if you want to share your profile photos with your connections, then select your connections. And if you want your networks to see the photos you have uploaded, then select your network. And lastly, if you select the default all LinkedIn members, anyone and everyone on LinkedIn will be able to see the photos you have uploaded on your LinkedIn profile. Now to hide your profile photos, select no one. And from now on, the photos you have uploaded on your LinkedIn profile will be hidden. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.